Hello traders, welcome back to Excel Argo Trading. Well traders, you can see here this is a time is 10:05 and date is 15th January 2025. This I'm doing a live trade today. I'm just showing a live trade on our order book and how our orders will execute or it get fired automatically. Already Nifty call options strike price have already started executing their orders automatically in our order book. Well traders, this is our MTM, you can see, and this is buy activated in Nifty. Well, you can see this is our order book, and here you can see our buying level and selling level in this our breakout strategy. Well, afterwards you can see this is our market watch. Set your quantities here and just start the button and copy and paste it. Well traders, after doing this, here our orders get fired automatically. You can see almost Nifty call option strike price, almost three strike prices already gets automatically set in order in our order books, and even in Alliance Blue Broking Terminal, and you can see almost 1,000 rupees profit in this, almost 1,000 rupees in the sense of 990. Well traders, you can see here how our orders will get fired in our order book with the help of Alliance Blue Broking Terminal. This is with the help of broking terminal of Alliance Blue. Here it will go automatically, orders will get automatically fired. If you want to do anything manually, you can just watch our breakouts levels and you can trade with your another broking terminals. Okay traders, I think you are clear about this, and this is how our orders get fired in our order book automatically. Well traders, I just want to show you how our breakout strategy will take orders and get square off itself only. It buy and sell automatically. Okay guys, I'll just show you in upcoming video how it start trading. Okay, well guys, let's see our performance here from here. Okay, almost here you can see our orders are getting fired in our black background. Also it is a bridge like algo trade of Excel Argo Trading and broking terminal of Alliance Blue. Well, you can see here almost 3 orders are got fired in our order book, and still we are waiting to reach our target. Almost it's showing 700 profit, and I hope you enjoy for the video to see. I just want to show you how our orders will get fired here in our order book, only especially in order book. Well traders, let's see performance now. Just wait and watch. I just and if you want to continue the video, just speed up your video traders, speed up your video so you people will not get bored to see. Okay, just catch full video and speed up your video and watch carefully. Okay traders, we'll see a future for further performance now. Carry on.